Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Brawl Stars icons in Discord. We'll cover the two main approaches, setting a custom server icon and adding custom emojis. You'll learn about the precise image specifications, like recommended dimensions and file types, to ensure your icons look fantastic. We'll then walk through the straightforward process of uploading these images directly into your Discord server. Finally, we'll touch upon the essential permissions needed for a smooth setup. Let's dive in. To set a custom Brawl Stars server icon, first, open your Discord server and access the server settings. You'll want to choose a high-quality Brawl Stars image, ideally a square one, with dimensions between 128 by 128 pixels and 512 by 512 pixels for the best appearance. Upload this image, making sure it's a PNG or JPG file and doesn't exceed 8 megabytes. Once uploaded, save your changes, and your server will proudly display its new Brawl Stars theme. For custom Brawl Stars emojis, head to the emoji section in your server settings. Each emoji image needs to be precisely 128 by 128 pixels and under 256 kilobytes in size. You can upload up to 50 custom emojis for free, giving your server plenty of Brawl Stars flair. If your server has nitro boosts, you can add even more. Remember to give each emoji a simple, descriptive name so everyone can easily find and use them in chat. To successfully implement these customizations, you must possess the Manage Server permission. For adding emojis, members with Manage Emojis permission can also contribute. Always prioritize optimizing your image quality while keeping file sizes small. This ensures quick loading times and crisp visuals for everyone. A good practice is to periodically review and update your Brawl Stars icons and emojis. This keeps your server looking vibrant and engaging for all your members, enhancing their overall experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.